What's up, you guys? It's Roberto from American Sourcing. It's gonna be a quick video. Just want to show you guys our repair expenses for this month. I know a lot of people, are wondering, if they want to get on the trucking industry and how much money they should have saved for emergency repairs. So I just want to make sure. Okay, so right here, this one is 905. This is 1 month of repairs, emergency repairs that we have. It's number one. Before we continue, my trucks are relatively new. 2018 Freightliner Cascadias and 2019 Freightliner Cascadias. So, they are not that old. So we have here 3,919 with 43 cents, June. Then we have 4,745 55 cents, June. Now here we have, I'll find you a date, June. This one is going to be for 4,543 with 88 cents. They're all from different Freightliners. This one is from Freightliner of Philadelphia. These other two are from Freightliner of Miami. So they were here. We were just doing, a regular maintenance, and they found different things. Freightliner of Miami. And this one here, which is the cheapest one, is because it's not on the Freightliner. It's here in Miami. When you go to a different mechanic, Miami is cheaper, but it's still 905. So overall, I have more than $14,000 in repairs alone for June. And I'm missing one truck right now that is broken down as well, and they haven't sent us an invoice. But yeah, I'll do another video showing the full amount later. So yeah, if you're trying to get in the trucking business, just make sure you have a lot of money, a lot of cash flow. Get yourself a plan to save up, because it's pretty much every month.